Hey guys, I'm exhausted. I did not sleep at all last night and I do not feel good today, but I have a lot of things I need to get done. So we're gonna head into Rochester. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. I just went up the stairs and I'm out of breath. That's sad. But I'm gonna go into Rochester. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping. We have to run some errands for my mom and then go to a doctor's appointment, and then we'll come back home. And what am I gonna do after that? My brain isn't working correctly today. I don't know. When I get home, I'll let you know what we're gonna do together, because we'll do it together. You and I, in this vlog. We're gonna have a good day. Even though I don't feel well, I hope you guys feel good. I hope you don't get sick this weekend. Stay healthy. Okay, so we're at our first stop, which is a store called Savers, which is a thrift store. And I am just sitting out in the parking lot for like 5 more minutes because I'm a little early before they open. And then we'll go and thrift. And then next I'll have to run to a pizza place for my mom to get a gift card. And then we'll see what time it is and how much longer I'll have to wait after that for my appointment. I'm sure we'll probably go get food somewhere. Who knows? But I'm just gonna wait here until we go to Savers. Okay, so I just got done finishing shopping at Savers. We did find some good finds. I'll show you guys everything I got when I get home. Next, I'm gonna go over to the pizza place to get my mom the gift card she wanted. So this is the place that I'm getting the gift card from for my mom. I'm sure she's giving it to someone for their birthday or something, but they're not open for like 5 minutes. I'm getting everywhere 5 minutes early, so gotta wait a little bit. All right, so I made it back home after my appointment. Oh, I never want to do that appointment again. I also got coffee. Now I'm gonna go watch some TV. I don't watch TV. I'll try to find something on like Netflix or something to watch. Just chill and have a slow rest of the day. I also, in a little bit, will show you what I got when I was thrifting. Some pretty good stuff. It's all right there. So I'll show that to you in a little bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out. Okay, so now I'm gonna just kind of quickly show you what I got at the thrift stores. I'm first gonna show you the things that I'm kind of starting like this little online shop with, and then I'll show you the stuff that I got for myself. Okay, so they're all on my bed right now, but we got some wicker baskets and then some wooden bowls and then this vintage record case. All these things I'm gonna clean up and then eventually resell. And then the things I got for myself, just really quick, is I might sell one of these, but I got this cute, it's hard to hold the camera and show you guys, but it's kind of just like a rain sport jacket so that I eventually, when it's a little bit warmer than it is right now, I can run outside. And because again, I don't have very many clothes here. They're all in Portugal. Then I found this really cute quilted jacket. Super cute. These are super expensive and I got it for $6. Score. And then I also got, since my hair stuff is all in Portugal as well, I bought a used curling iron because it's super cheap. This one was $3 and I'm not gonna spend like $25 on one when I have a nice one. It's just in Portugal. So I got another one so that I can curl my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know that I promised to put a video about Porto, Portugal, and I will. I promise I still will. I have plenty of video that I can post for that. It's taking me a while to get it together, and I have a lot of other exciting things happening recently, which is great, and I'm excited to share with you. I'll share it later in this video, and you'll understand why mainly my whole day is going to be thrifting and organizing because of the big news. But first, we are going to go. I have to clean my truck a little bit more because the previous owners must have had a dog, and they have dog hair all over the front seat, so I'm going to try to get all that off. And then we're going to go thrifting just locally in this area today. So you're gonna see me start laying down some tape on the floor, and I'm marking a 5x5 foot area. And this is the big news. I'm actually doing my first trade show, vendor show coming up really soon, March 9th and 10th, I'm pretty sure. I'll make sure to get that stuff right and put it in the description so that you guys have the information if you guys want to come out and see me. But I learned quickly that a 5x5 foot area is very small, so it'll probably be a very big learning experience for me, and I'll have things to hand out to people, and hopefully I'll sell something, but it'll be interesting. Okay, just finished at that Daisy May store, and there's some cool things that I thought would work for shelving for the booth, but let's just say a little spendy. So we're not gonna really focus on too much for the first show. Like, we're just gonna try to get this first show under my belt, but I need some shelving to display some of the stuff. I only have a 5x5 area, so I need to get shelving to bring more of my area space like that I can put things on. Okay, on to the next store. Okay, well, I tried to go into that one, but it's closed. It doesn't open till noon, so I probably won't go to that one. My dad's asking me to go pick up something for that he got off the auction in Orinoco, so I probably will do that. And I probably will just search Facebook Marketplace. There isn't like super nice thrift stores around Cass and Manorville. It's like, they're nice, but they're a little more expensive, where I'm looking for like that deal. So we'll see. We'll see if I find anything. Kind of looking like it's not gonna happen today, which is a bit frustrating, but you know, that's how life goes. I have a few things I can get done at home too, so I'll probably go pick up the stuff for my dad and then head home. Okay, so I'm about to go and pick up something from an auction, online auction thing that my dad got. That's all the way in Orinoco. So I'm gonna drive over there, and then I think there's a few little stores here in Manorville that they're also kind of more expensive, but if I find something that I really like, I'll pay that money if it's exactly what I want. But we'll try those out when I get back. Okay, so I'm in the garage now, and I've been organizing this little tiny 5 foot by 5 foot square that I put on the ground that you saw earlier. I'm trying to organize it in the best way possible to fit most of the things I can fit in this tiny little square, so I can go and have the show in that little area. It's just insane. 5 foot by 5 foot is not enough for a furniture flipper, but I'll figure it out. And it's my first one ever, my first vendor show ever, so I'm a noob. Okay, so to finish today, I am gonna do some work in the shop on the next piece right here. I am going to strip the paint off the top part, maybe the bottom part, and the knobs, and leave the rest what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna start stripping the paint tonight. Obviously, I won't finish it tonight, but you can see my progress. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm about to go work out in the shop again on that piece of furniture you saw me just working on and another tabletop that I have to refinish. So, before I do that, I'm getting this box that I thrifted. It is like the most precious box. Like, I love it and I would keep it if I had a house and had a place for it, but I don't. So I am selling it and it's going all the way to Rhode Island. I've never like shipped things that I sell before. So it's my first time doing that. It's kind of exciting to see if this is something I will consider to do in the future. But this precious little box, here I'll put some photos in that I took of it. Oh, it's just so sweet. I don't know what about it. Maybe because it's green and wood tone, but it's just so like well made but delicate at the same time. Like, it's so, I don't know, precious. I love it. It's going to Brendan in Rhode Island, and I also put some, let's see, I think I have a sticker in here, a Restored by Allie magnet and a Restored by Allie decal, with also a window decal if he wants to use it. You don't have to use it, but if you want to, you can. But yeah, this box is so little bitty and precious. I'm glad it's going to someone that can appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to first go put on some paint stripper, varnish stripper onto the tabletops, and then I'm gonna head to the post office to ship this and then come back and scrape.